Mess-free magic. Easy one-pot dinners. Imagine coming home after a long day, craving a hearty meal without the hassle of a messy kitchen. One-pot wonders are here to save your evening insanity. These recipes are perfect for busy weeknights when you need dinner on the table quickly. Easy, delicious, and minimal cleanup. What's not to love? First up, a savory chicken and rice dish. Juicy chicken thighs, aromatic spices, and fluffy rice all come together in one pot for a satisfying meal that will please everyone at the table. Next, try a comforting beef stew. Tender chunks of beef, carrots, and potatoes simmered to perfection. This classic dish is sure to warm your soul and leave you feeling cozy. For a lighter option, consider a vegetable pasta primavera. Fresh vegetables, pasta, and a tangy sauce all cooked in one pot. It's a vibrant, healthy meal that's bursting with flavor. How about a creamy one-pot mushroom risotto? Arborio rice, earthy mushrooms, and rich Parmesan cheese meld beautifully. This dish feels luxurious, yet is simple enough for a weeknight dinner. Lastly, a zesty shrimp and quinoa bowl. Succulent shrimp, protein-packed quinoa, and a burst of citrus make this dish refreshing and satisfying. It's a nutritious option that's full of flavor. These one-pot wonders make dinner time stress-free, letting you focus on what really matters, enjoying your meal and spending time with loved ones. And the best part? Cleanup is a breeze. With only one pot to wash, you'll have more time to relax after dinner. Join us as we explore these 5 easy and mess-free dinners, proving that delicious meals don't require a mountain of dirty dishes. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, these recipes are approachable and guaranteed to impress. So grab your favorite pot and let's dive into the world of one-pot wonders. Your taste buds and your kitchen will thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious family-friendly recipes. Discover tips and tricks to make these one-pot wonders your new go-to dinners. Get ready to simplify your cooking routine and enjoy the ease and flavor of one-pot meals. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!